I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and iCloud Drive. This is where files live. Once there, toggle off any apps you don't want synced to prevent new uploads while you clear space. Make sure to download or back up any documents you need. If you skip that, you can lose data. Now you're ready to inspect stored files and remove what's unnecessary. Once inside Files, tap iCloud Drive and sort by size or date to find the biggest culprits. This helps you prioritize what to remove. You can select multiple files or entire folders. Tap Select, mark items, then delete or move to on my iPhone if you want local copies. Remember, deleting here moves items to recently deleted. So after deleting, go to Recently Deleted and choose Remove All to free iCloud space. You finish by verifying freed space. Settings, tap your name, iCloud, then Manage Storage to see updated totals. After that, turn iCloud Drive back on and re-enable only the apps you need synced so you don't refill storage. If a file disappears unexpectedly, immediately check Recently Deleted or Restore from your backup. Do this before the 30-day auto purge. If sync seems stuck, sign out of iCloud and sign back in. This forces a resync and often resolves stuck storage counts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.